and welcome to my Embroidery 101 series. In this video we'll be covering the fishbone stitch. This is a great stitch for leaves and there's a few different techniques for this stitch as well, but this is the one that I've found the easiest. And you will need just a little bit more thread than normal for this one as well. So to start off with, as you can see, you just bring your needle up through from the back of the fabric at the top of your leaf and bring it back down about a third of the way down. And that just creates your first stitch. Whenever you're doing patterns or anything where you need to use a little bit more thread than normal, try and pull through it a little bit slower just to avoid any knots. So now I'm just bringing my needle up through from the back of the fabric just below that first stitch, just following the shape or pattern, and then back down again just below that first stitch as well. And then you repeat this on the other side, so bringing it up through from the back. As you can see, I'm trying my best to keep it as close as possible to the first stitch, just to avoid any gaps. And then back down again. And just repeat this from side to side. You'll see that midway through I decided not to follow the guidelines. I didn't like the shape. I have got a video showing how I erased the ink left behind in the description box below if you're curious. For your final few stitches, just continue following the shape until you're happy with your leaf. And I hope that you found this helpful, and you can check out all of my other tutorials in the playlist below, as well as information on how to start and finish stitches and how I get rid of that ink left behind as well.